Here we're going to do some steaming in our 20 tray roll-in 11G oven. So we have some fresh vegetables here, broccoli, cauliflower. We have some frozen veg, like a mix of different carrots, broccoli, and, peas and beans. Pasta al penne. You can load all 20 racks with your 65mm or 60mm 11GN trays. We have the steaming baskets here, which are perfect for steaming, both the frozen and the fresh vegetables. The nice thing about the steaming baskets is that they don't hold any excess water, so the vegetables are cooked very, very evenly in your oven. And when you take them out, they're a lot more nice to handle because there's not a lot of water coming onto your table or your floor when you take them out of the oven. And really, it's anything from 5 to 15 minutes, depending how soft you want your vegetables to be. Cauliflower, very nice and tender, easy to break apart, very juicy still. Our broccoli here, so it's kept its color very well. It's also pretty well cooked. It's still very al dente. We gave these vegetables 9 minutes, so there's a lot of bite and crispiness left into it. Mixed frozen vegetables, again perfectly cooked, kept the coloration. They look a lot more fresh now than when they did when they were frozen. This is perfect for mixing in a pasta or in any vegetable dish. It's all about that preservation of the fresh look and the coloration when you are steaming frozen products. It's very, very important. So we're gonna fill up a trolley here for steaming. We're gonna do 10 trays of pasta al penne, and we're gonna do 10 trays of rice. So the only rules here are that as long as we can cover the pasta with water, that should be the correct amount for these trays. And for the rice, in the 65mm tray, which is our recommendation for when you are cooking rice in your oven, 2 kilos of rice for 3 liters of water.